Hey everyone, it's me Yuj from Prosperna, here to train you in using Prosperna CRM the right way. The reason we built Prosperna is to help e-commerce, SMEs, and real estate professionals grow their businesses by helping them create a customer-first marketing and sales engine. For this episode, I'm going to teach you about lead status. In our reports video, we showed you that you can view the number of leads you have per status and source. Lead status is used to classify the lead standing with the user. In terms of marketing and sales, this is useful in filtering and identifying how qualified your leads are in the pipeline, whether they're open to prospect or disqualified. You can set your lead status in the individual lead record. On the left bar, choose a lead status from the drop-down list. After selecting, your CRM automatically saves the changes. To customize the lead status options, go to Account Settings under the Organization Settings. Click on Customize and go to the Lead Status tab. From there, you can see all of your existing lead statuses and choose to edit or delete them. You can create a new one by clicking on Add Lead Status. Type your desired text and hit Save. A prompt will ask you for confirmation. Click on Continue to apply the changes. You can also change the order of the lead status in this tab by clicking on the moving icon to drag. That's it for this tutorial. Next episode will teach you about users. You can also learn more about other features by reading our online knowledge base. The link will be provided in the description box below. Start using the Prosperna CRM by booking a free demo with us at www.prosperna.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool digital marketing content. Be sure to hit the bell so you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For more awesome updates, you can also like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Bye-bye! You can also watch our other videos on customer success stories and using the Prosperna CRM the right way.